Hi students, we'll discuss about heroin. It is the one type of the opioid. Heroin, it is a white, bitter, that means unpleasant taste. Bitter, odorless, smell is absent, odorless, crystalline compound. Okay students. Next, and the heroin is obtained from the acetylation of the morphine. Morphine goes to acetylation and converted into heroin. Acetylation of the morphine, and it is chemically diacetyl morphine. Heroin, it is a chemically diacetyl morphine. Next student, heroin, it is also commonly called smoke. Next, mode of abuse, process of administration into the body. Mode of abuse, taken by snorting. Snorting means forced breathing. Administered into the body, entered into the body, inner part of the body by forced breathing. Okay student, through the nose. Next, and administered also by the injection, in form of the injection. Next, effect of heroin, it is a depressant means slows down the body functions, body activities. Next, slows down the body functions, it is about the heroin. Next, and the cannabinoids, it is another one of the drug, second one of the drug. Cannabinoids. Opioids are differentiated into two types. One is the morphine, second one is heroin. Next, second drug, that one is cannabinoids. Cannabinoids, a group of chemicals. Cannabinoids are the group of chemicals and obtained from Indian hemp plant. Obtained from the Indian hemp plant. That one is, scientific name is cannabis sativa. Indian hemp plant. And vernacular name for the cannabis sativa, ganjai mocha. Cannabis sativa is the scientific name, Indian hemp plant scientific name. Vernacular name, that is ganjai mocha. Next student, cannabinoids are the drugs interact with communicates with, goes to action with cannabinoid receptors present in the central nervous system, mainly in brain that consists receptors. These are the receptors communicate with the cannabinoids or these drugs and goes to the action, perform the action, different types of the action on the body function. Students, flower tops of plant, leaves of cannabis sativa, resin of a plant. Resins are the organic substances derived from the cannabis plant. Resins are the organic substance of this plant. Next, used in various combinations to produce different types of the cannabinoid drugs such as marijuana, hashish, karas, ganja. These are different types of the drugs based on the produces from different plant, different parts of the cannabis sativa plant. Okay, these are the combinations are obtained from the different regions of the plant. Next, being abused by sport persons, these are the drugs also abused, put into wrong use by the sports persons also called doping. Next, mode of abuse taken by inhalation, okay, and also by the oral ingestion, that means through the mouth, through the oral cavity, okay, that is oral ingestion. Next, effect What about the effect of cannabinoids on the body? Effect on cardiovascular system of the body. Cardiovascular system, that means blood circulatory system. Heart with the circulating blood vessels. Okay? Increases the heart rate, increases the functioning of the heart, and increases the blood pressure. Effect on cardiovascular system of the body, okay, by the cannabinoids. Next, another one, coca alkaloids or cocaine. What about the coca alkaloids? Coca alkaloids are the cocaine. This is the third type of the drug. White crystalline alkaloid, it is the white crystalline alkaloid obtained from the leaves of erythroxylum coca or coca plant. Coca alkaloids are the cocaine white crystalline alkaloid obtained from the leaves of coca plant. Scientific name is Erythroxylum coca. Native place is South America. Next student, it is also coca alkaloids commonly called coke or crack. Coke or crack. Next, another one, mode of abuse, snorted. Snorted means forced breathing into the respiratory tract, that is called snorting. Next, effect, energetic action on the central nervous system, potent stimulating action on the central nervous system such as brain and spinal cord. And it is the drug also interfere with the transport of the neurotransmitter such as dopamine. Okay, what about the neurotransmitter? Neurotransmitter, this is secretes from the, releases from the nerve endings, end parts of the neuron into the junction between two neurons, that is called synapse. Okay, and helps to transmit the impulse from one neuron to another neuron. And these are also releases at the neuromuscular junction, the junction between the neuron and the muscle fiber of the muscle, that is neuromuscular junction. These are neurotransmitters or the chemicals, helps to transmit the impulse from one neuron to another neuron through the synapse, one neuron to the muscle fiber through the neuromuscular junction. Dopamine is the neurotransmitter, helps to transmit the impulse from the body parts to the brain. Next, produces sense of euphoria. Euphoria means exaggerated joy. Okay, full of happiness. Produces sense of euphoria and increases the levels of energy in the body. Next, excessive consumption of coca alkaloids cause hallucinations. Causes hallucination. Hallucinations means wrong opinions. Excessive cause of the coca alkaloids or cocaine, crack, causes hallucinations, student. It is about the three types of the drugs. Heroin, it is the one type of the opioids. Opioids are differentiated into two types. One is morphine, second one is heroin. Next, cannabinoids obtained from the Indian hemp plant, cannabis sativa. Coca alkaloids or cocaine obtained from the leaves of coca plant, Erythroxylum coca. Okay.